In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add a custom exercise to Liftosaur. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to open up the application, and then you want to click on the workout at the middle at the bottom of your screen. Inside this page, we have the ability to add some exercise. So let me just go ahead and reset this for you real quick, so you will be able to see from the scratch. So from here, we have the ability to add an HOC exercise. We can choose to one of their exercise presets right here, or you can simply navigate through the from program option, and inside you can then choose to one of their programs. But to add your own custom exercise, you just want to click on the create button that you will see right here. Now this is going to be a really small button, so you just have to find it. It's right below the search icon or the search button. And basically inside this page, you have the ability to add the name of your exercise. Let's say that my exercise is going to be pistol squats. We have the targeted muscle, which is going to be legs right here. And then we have additional options like the second muscle group right here. We have the types. And then lastly, we have the exercise note. You can just click on the save button, and basically that's it. You can add image if you want to, but to make things easier, I'll just click on the save button. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.